Hello everyone, welcome to Stockseers. Today, we will do 3 mid-term analyses back to back. Let's get started. We'll begin with NIO. It's not a good stock in terms of cash flow and profitability, but I don't think it deserves such bad pricing either. After all, technicals come before fundamentals. There's a very nice horizontal here, which I think is a strong support. A clear falling resistance. It's kind of a descending diagonal actually. While the price is gradually decreasing, RSI is making higher lows, especially on a weekly period. Positive divergences are strong on a weekly basis. I'm drawing our from inside to outside resistance again. I can't go back too much because the stock doesn't have much history. I want to see the monthly MACD. Of course, since it's been falling continuously, I haven't seen a cobra, but I see a MACD trying to cross upwards. A nice monthly MACD for me. There's also positive divergence in RSI. Let's look at the daily period. Let's zoom in on the last part. Yes, we found the cobra in the daily MACD. Of course, I would have preferred it to be on the weekly, but it's okay. RSI is also in the trend. At such bottoms, stocks like to make inverse head and shoulders. Of course, it could directly go to the yellow resistance as well, but for me it can be like this as well. Our from inside to outside resistance. Maybe a pullback to the falling resistance, and again to the same resistance. Be careful with $9.62. $12 is an important resistance level and $13.3 target. Of course, we are making a midterm analysis and our targets are accordingly. It might want to try higher levels in the long run. A simple and effective chart. Let's examine another stock. Our stock is Micron Technology. This horizontal resistance is very important, a 25-year horizontal resistance, and actually it means a huge energy accumulation. We can think of it like a big cup with handle for the long term, but I will only look at its near targets. I'm drawing the from inside to outside resistance. Yes, simply, the target is here. RSI is in the trend. $349, our target for the from inside to outside resistance. Actually, a parallel channel forms here. A channel resistance around $460. But still, I prioritize the yellow resistance first. Let's look at one more stock. Affirm Holdings. If you've watched our patterns video, you should immediately recognize this formation. Rounded bottom. There's a horizontal here and the price is stuck to it. But it has also broken an important resistance and seems to have started moving. This is actually where the formation gives its final signal. Let's draw a resistance. Let our first wave form here, $85, and pull back to the horizontal support. Another wave right to the very top, $175, and the final wave to a target near $350. Of course, This is a very large target margin, but this is the target of this formation. It looks like a perfect rounded bottom. Our analysis ends here. See you in another video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for support.